we all have something to contribute and something to learn.
But when you have the tukutuku panel of all the kākaho together, interwoven together, unbreakable.
It feels silly that I stumbled into it, because now that I'm here, I'm like, how do you stumble into something like this?
If I was going to share my skills and that, I would come to this wānanga for that.
Tēnei wānanga te hāpai i te reo, tuatahi te reo o Ngāpuhi ake, tuarua ko te reo o ngā tohi whakairo o loto o Ngāpuhi nui tonu, tuatolu ko ngā momo reo ki te Taioha, ngā reo o ngā rawa i roto i te ngahere, i roto hoki i te tuawhenua, i roto i te moana, kei a rātou o rātou ake momo reo, no reira ko te mahi toi whakairo, i roto i te pukenga o tēnā toi whakairo ki tēnā toi whakairo, ka rongo koe hei tangata auaha ki tau i aua momo reo, ki te whakaputa te auahatanga i roto i a koe ano, i roto hoki i te pūtaio, i roto hoki i te moana, me te wawata o tō ake hapu, tō whānau, me tō iwi.
I guess that's one of the things is learning those kupu, because they're not kupu that I use every day. So this is an opportunity for us to be together and to wānanga tētahi ki tētahi and learn a bit more about each other and also become more familiar with some of those kupu that we're not familiar with every day.
As artists, when we look around for what are different ideologies, what are different principles or ideas or thoughts and inspirations that we can look for to drive the innovation that we push to create, we dream to bring to fruition, it's all in our whakapapa.
The more I learn about my whakapapa and my tupuna, how they live, the more empowered I feel to live my life in a certain way, and especially with Toi Māori, understanding the connection to Te Taioha, I think has just been massive to me. That's like been a hole that I've wanted to know more about and wanted to be able to connect, and these wānanga series have really enabled me to do that.
people ask me when I was doing moko, what's the difference between moko and tattoo? The simple answer to that, in my estimation, is that tattoo is a personal choice. And I've already shown everyone my 20-year-old decision. And no, it's not a goose. It's a Black Panther.
And I was just interchanging between both reo, and that was good. It was okay. It helped, get the message across, and that was the most important thing for them, so that they go away with a clear understanding about some examples that I've been taught of how to craft karanga and some of the tikanga around it. But it was just a short time, a short window, but even so, he nui, he pounamu.
E hua te marae te whare tūpuna, ko ka hukuri te tūpuna e. Karanga maira, karanga maira, karanga maira e.
With each and every one of them, you can see, there's so many opportunities. I wonder which ones they're gonna. It's like opening up the door to Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. Allowing them to go in and say, Taiohi ma, come with me, and you'll see a new world of pure imagination. Take a look, and you'll find your creation.
Te ana te marama, na umai te awate, harama I te ao, peki ake ki te toi o ngara, i te toi aro nui, i te toi aro i, i te toi tuau, i te toi. Kia ora tātou.